Okay, so what we're going to be building out this month. Week one, I'm going to build out a workout log. It's basically going to be a Google form to Notion setup. Second week, we're going to do a weekly habit reset. Third week, we're going to be doing a morning check in. And then fourth week, we're going to be doing a meal log via SMS to Notion. So, again, really exciting stuff. Um, I'm I geek out on this kind of stuff. I love building and kind of just getting those data points. So, hope you guys enjoy this. Yeah, more to come.